Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find matching text and highlight in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to matching text and highlight this text. Go to the Home menu, then click the Find option. And we can see here open a navigation box. Now we want to find text, click the box and write. Now I write the lorium, then click find next. Here the lorium text, again click the find next. Now we can see here some lorium text. Now we want to highlight this text, zoom this document, then go to the insert menu, click the shapes option, then choose the rectangle, then draw the rectangle over the lorium shape, then go to the shape format menu and click wrap text option, choose none, then click shape fill drop down menu, choose the yellow color, then again go to the shape outline, choose no outline, then click the shape and click send to back. Now we can see we find matching text and highlight this very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.